Hey y'all, so week 37 was an awesome week. One, again, I rested all week, so I had a lot less pelvic pressure. I also had a midwife appointment. So I had my midwife appointment on the 18th, which is a Friday, and she said everything is looking good, but surprisingly, he actually hasn't dropped and engaged in my pelvis yet. So I all this pressure I've been feeling has not been lightening. It's actually just been the ligament discomfort from the growing uterus and the expanding pelvis. And so she actually taught us some stretches, which helps so much. It's basically I have to keep my leg straight. I put it over, I keep my right leg straight, put it over my left, and then as I'm pushing forward, Aaron actually has to pull my leg back, and it actually helps relieve so much of the discomfort. Like I can walk. So that's pretty much been it. He moves a lot. Doctor also said he's not as big as what people have been trying to predict and say. He's actually probably about like 6.5, maybe 7 pounds now, which to me is a relief because I was hoping he wasn't ginormous. But as long as he's healthy, that's what counts. So just want him to come and enter the world from the birth canal healthy and full of life. And, honestly, I think he'll come in July, and maybe he'll come even late because he's really just chilling in there. I've been eating good. I still haven't been exercising. I've just been doing my morning baths, meditation, and stretches and yoga. And I'm taking it easy until July. When July comes, that's when I'm gonna start lifting again and working out. Yeah, I know. It's like, why would you do that then? But it's like, if that's gonna help push and promote him to enter the world, that's why I've been taking it easy, because I really want him to come in July. My mom gets in on this coming next week, Thursday. Today is actually entering week 38, but we're talking about week 37. So the fact that it's like, oh my gosh, he can literally come like any day whenever he chooses. But for the most part, my belly isn't too big, as you can see in the picture. You can see also right now, it's a decent size. He's not too ginormous. He just is like healthy and living. He's actually, his booty's here, his head's right here, his feet are over here. Doctor said, I want to get his booty over here, so I want him to be opposite. But I mean, it is okay where he's at. But she said the optimal position would be him on the left side. But either way, wherever he's good, as long as we work together to get him into this world, that's great. So week 37 also, we got our fence put up, so I'll show you that. We also had some professional birth photos, well, pre-birth photos and family photos. I'll show you that. And then we also celebrated Father's Day early. So it's been an amazing week, and looking forward to this week with my mom and my niece coming. And we're closing in, y'all. We are closing in. Oh, and I also officially packed my hospital bag, so I'm gonna show you that. And we also invested in a treadmill. Reason being is because I know once he gets here, I won't be going to the gym. I wanna make sure that I'm staying active and getting back into a routine, mostly just walking, eventually jogging, but that way I'm at least getting my steps in because it's way too hot outside to be walking. And again, I won't be going to the gym. So we got a treadmill too, so I'll show you that as well. So just ordered the Sunny treadmill. Make sure you open it with the box facing the right side up. And so we're about to put it together. It was actually really simple. Literally, it just took 2 screws up here on both sides, 3 screws on the bottom on both sides. Then you put these attachments here. For the most part, it all came together you saw in the video, which was fast speed. I did lubricate each side of the treadmill. It does mention that you want to make sure you fully lubricate it. And obviously you do want to wear shoes. I'm not going to be running. I'm just walking to test if it works. So we're going to hit start. 3, 2, 1. And it's really, right now it's at like 0.5 speed. And then there's a speedometer on this side. There's a start and stop on this side. It also checks your heart rate here. So I'm just gonna put it to 2 speed. And it feels good. I'm not gonna run, but it's working. Hey! It works. Okay, let's just go up a little bit faster just to test it. If I wanted to do the job. Yep. And it's not that loud. Obviously, the bell's saying not right now, so I'm gonna come back down. But perfect, it works great. And it also has this emergency pull thing, and then you would just like pop it out, and it stopped, obviously. So, but it works, yes. And it was super simple to put together. Amazon, only $3.99, y'all, only $3.99. Definitely recommend. But now we got our official gym all set up. Working good. Babe, how much do you weigh? How much do you weigh? 210. Max weight is 230. Here we go. Look at him go, y'all. Look at him go. Just so I show you guys some of the features. This is where you can check your heart rate. You can start and stop here. You can do your speed here. There's multiple programs that they have in regards to like inclines and speeds and stuff. Speed, you can go quick speeds, different programs, start and stop. But yeah, it's pretty simple and pretty awesome. I'm very happy I invested and got this before baby comes. So we will be walking on this quite often. Okay, and last thing, because I told you it does fold up, super simple. You just come here at the bottom and you lift it up all the way till you hear it lock, and then boom, there it is, up and in place and out the way. But I'm going to leave it down because I don't need to really have it up. But it doesn't take up much room if you wanted to like roll it somewhere else. And then when you're ready to put it back down, you just kick right here. Kick with my right leg. And then we'll kick it softly too. Put it back down, and then you'll hear it kind of pop into place, and there you go. That's y'all, they just about finished. I think they finished. The fence is officially done and complete, and it looks so good. And then back here, we're gonna tear down some of these bushes. We're gonna put a little garden back here. Not anytime soon, but we're definitely gonna have a little fresh fruits and vegetables garden back here for Adele to learn how to garden. But yeah, it looks so good. It's officially done. Yes. Oh, love it. And we have our patio, which we do have our furniture now. So this is our little sectional that we have back here. Next, we're going to be putting turf. So these are samples. The guy came out today. We're going to put turf on the floor here. But at night, it's so nice because we're able to close this with the curtains and then set the mood and the vibe with these lights and the fan. And then lastly, we're going to put a TV right up there. So this can definitely be a nice little chill. And just look at the attention to detail. Look how tall the fence is. Aaron is 6'2", 6'3". We have 6'2". Okay, 6'2". I was trying to give you some more inches. But yeah, and it like privacy, and look at the attention to detail, y'all. Look at that. Yes, and this like door works perfectly. They did such a good job. So the same guy who did the fence is the same guy who did our patio work. So y'all, if you need the plug, it's a whole vibe. It's not all shut, but don't you guys see it? Just love it. I just love it. All right, who still got it? Who still got it? There we go. Nice. We got Chris in the lead. Who's in the lead right now? Okay, Pops is in the lead. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.